Welcome back to another absolute masterclass in linguistic excellence. Today we are expanding our collective brain power to ensure we remain the most intellectually dominant specimens on the internet. We shall be dissecting two words that sound remarkably similar but lead to vastly different outcomes for your physical and mental well-being. Relapse and prolapse. A relapse occurs when an individual, after a period of improvement or recovery, decides to return to their former, less than optimal habits. In a sentence, after 3 weeks of hydrated excellence, the young lads suffered a tragic relapse and began consuming nothing but lukewarm soda and sadness. The vibe, it's essentially a U-turn on the highway of self-improvement. It is most commonly used in medical contexts, a disease returning, or when someone falls off the wagon of a good habit. Prolapse, the structural betrayal. A prolapse is a far more visceral affair. It's a medical condition where an internal organ decides it's bored of its current location and attempts to exit the body through an opening that was never intended for such a departure. In a sentence, while attempting to lift a literal mountain to impress a passing swan, the bodybuilder suffered a minor prolapse, causing his insides to become his outsides. The vibe, gravity, and internal pressure have conspired against you. It's a structural failure of the highest order. The crucial distinction: to ensure that you never confuse these two during a high-stakes dinner party or a casual chat at the gymnasium, remember this simple guide. The word relapse. What is failing? Your standards or health. The result? You are back where you started. The word prolapse. What is failing? Your actual organs. The result? You need a doctor and perhaps a new hobby. Your homework. To maintain your status as a person of extreme culture, you must go forth and use these words correctly. Do not tell your doctor you have relapsed when your kidney is hanging out of your pocket. And certainly do not tell your therapist you have prolapsed because you started smoking again. That would be embarrassing for everyone involved. If you found this lesson to be a staggering display of educational prowess, remember to spread the word so that we can continue to fund our lavish lifestyles. Stay safe, stay sane and maintain, and for the love of all things holy, keep your organs where they belong.